Hello everybody, my name is Neacsu and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create the double exposure effect in Photoshop. Let's get started. Shop. So, to do the double exposure effect we need two images. Usually we need a subject and a landscape photo. I choose this particular image because I want to overlap the waterfall with her hair. And the steps are the following. We need to make this photo black and white. To do that I will go here and choose black and white. Simple. Now I want to add this photo on her shape. And to do that I will bring this layer down like this. Okay, and I will press Alt and hold it while I'm clicking between those two layers, and I apply this image only to the subject. Now I will make a copy of the subject, Ctrl+J, and bring it above everything. Again, we need to make it black and white. Apply the black and white only to this image. Now I will try to make different areas visible, like her face and her shoulder. And here I will try to combine her hair with the waterfall. For that I need to hide everything from here. Right, with the blend, with the mask, and with the brush at 10% opacity, I will go here and start painting to make her face visible. Like this. Okay, and I'll increase the opacity to make her face a little bit more visible, especially the eye. Okay, and now I will decrease again the opacity, play with this waterfall and the hair. Here I want to blend in the waterfall with her hair. Like this, you can see the water and also the hair, and this is the effect that I want to create. And that's how you create the double exposure effect. You can also refine the edges and so on, and if you want to go one step further, you can double the landscape layer, Ctrl+J, and you can create this scenario like this, or you can bring the layer below everything and decrease the fill like this. And that's how you end and create double exposure effect. You can refine edges, okay, by going here and make this area visible, or hide it like this. And blend the images if you want, like this. And you can play around with these effects, but the general idea is to have two images, make them black and white, apply a background, a landscape photo to the subject, and then hide and show the face of the subject or other areas that you want to show from the subject. And that's how you create the double exposure effect. I hope this tutorial was very helpful for you, and let me know what do you want to learn next in the comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Robert Neacsu, Jap!